Hello everyone, today we'll be doing characteristics and classifications of living organisms, and the subtopic is features of organisms. We'll be doing a past paper because last time I had a video explaining it. So figure 1.1 is a photograph of Lithibius photoictius, a species of myropod. State the genus of the organism shown in figure 1.1. So as I explained, there's a classification system and it involves a two-part naming. The first part will always be a genus and in capital, and the second part will be the species and lowercase. So here the genus will be the first part. State one visible feature that identifies the organism as a myropod, as an arthropod. So for the myropod, we can say that it has many pairs of legs. And for the arthropod, we can say that it has an exoskeleton. That means outside skeleton. State names of two groups of arthropod other than myropods. This is easy. Insects and you can say crustaceans. State two features of plant cells that would be absent in the cells shown in figure 1.1. So we know that it comes under the kingdom of animal kingdom, so we can say cell wall and chloroplast. Yes, chloroplast. So the next question: adaptive features enable organisms to survive their environment. Figure 1.2 is a photograph of another species of arthropod. Some of its adaptive features are visible in figure 1.2. State one adaptive feature visible in figure 1.2 that reduces water loss when organism is on land. Reduces water loss would be a hard shell. Yes. State the name of a kingdom that, that's easy, that's just animal kingdom. All living organisms can be classified into groups by the features they share. Complete the sentence about classifying organisms. A species is a group of organisms that can reproduce offsprings. This is easy. As I explained, species are only classified as species when they can reproduce a fertile offspring. All species are named using an internationally agreed system called binomial system. Fishes, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians are vertebrate groups. The other vertebrate group is mammals, fish, reptile, amphibian. What's missing? Birds. All vertebrates belong to the kingdom, animal kingdom. One feature that is used to identify vertebrates is backbone, obviously. Backbone.
Calm down the straps.
Draw a circle around one characteristic shared by all living organisms. If it was reproduction alone, yes, but it's sexual, so that's not true because there are many plants that can asexually reproduce. Transpiration is just for plants. Digestion, I haven't learned it yet, but the answer is nutrition because that's one of the Mrs. Gren. Figure 1.1 shows a photograph of a pest. State two features visible in figure 1.1 that can be used to classify this organism as an archid. It has 4 pairs of legs. as we can see, and I think it has a 2-part body. I'm not sure, but 2 parts body. Okay, great. State the kingdom that that's animal kingdom. State the name of 2 other myriapods. We already did this, so we'll just skip ahead. Describe one way which all vertebrates differ from anarpods.
Well, I killed all of them.
So vertebrates don't have a exoskeleton. Yeah, vertebrates don't have exoskeleton. Five. Figure 2.1 shows a photograph of lobster, which is an anarthropod. Describe 2 pieces of evidence visible that identifies this organism. We can say, it has a segmented body. 1, 2, 3. It has segmented body and exoskeleton. Scientific name of arthropod in figure 2.1 is this. Genus name, as we said, the first one, so Homarius. State the name of the other groups. Okay, we did that. So this is good because now I know for this chapter, because they're repeating this one question again and again to state the other 2 groups of arthropods. So now I know that I should really lock in for this section. Figure 1.1 shows animals that belong to one vertebrate group. State the name of this vertebrate group and give one visible characteristic feature of this group. Mammal, so obviously it's a monkey. Mammal. We can say visible feature would be external ears or fur, but I would prefer external ears. State the name of 2 other groups of vertebrates. Fish, and birds.
I'm done.
Table 2.1 shows the names of 3 groups of arthropods and some of their characteristics. Place sticks. Okay. Anarchids have 4 pairs of legs, but the others don't. 1 pair of antennae, that's myriapods, and 2 body parts is anarchids. This will be our last question. Figure 6.1 is a photograph of a lion. Lions are mammals and have scientific name Pantherel leo. State 1 visible feature. Okay. We wrote external ears last time, so you can write fur this time. State the genus Panthera. Mammals are divided into 5 groups. Oh wow. The list describes some of the features of some features belong to. Okay. So scales belong to fishes. Feathers, that's easy, birds. Gills, also fishes. Smooth skin, reptile. State 2 features of cells of living organisms. Cytoplasm and cell membrane. Yeah, so paper 3 is done. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new today. Bye.